Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna react to Little Mix Christmas Baby Please Come Home cover. You know that this is the Christmas season, so a lot of Christmas songs gotta come out, and Little Mix gotta check out these girls. So begin now.
They're singing deck the halls, but it's not like Christmas at all. I remember when you were here.
Can't believe it's December, almost December already. Oh my god. Shit, time is moving too fast.
Christmas, the snow's falling down. I'm watching it fall.
Christmas is actually my favorite season. Love Christmas.
Baby, please come home. Christmas.
Oh, who's those guys? Shala.
Lights on the tree. I'm watching them shine. You should be here with me. Baby, please come home. Just singing but it's not like Christmas at all. I remember when you were here and all the fun we had last year. Oh, if that was away,
Christmas.
I would hope that these tears.
Christmas.
Oh, it's Christmas Day. Please, 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 please.
Oh. With a Christmas party in there. Damn, I wish I did have like a Christmas hat right now. Like a Santa hat. Christmas. Christmas.
Bring it down. Christmas.
Oh.
Christmas.
Ooh, Christmas. Ooh.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay, buddy, calm down. Black dude, like, dude, why did you kiss me? Alright, guys, that's the end of the reaction video. Little Mix Christmas, Baby Please Come Home cover. What can I say, guys? Christmas, but it's almost December already. Time is moving fast as hell. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. No love, peace.